Good morning, dear students. So, we were discussing the chapter of fractions. Next topic in this chapter is addition of fractions. Suppose if I have two fractions and I want to add them. Now, first is if I have like fractions. See, I have the fraction 2 by 8 and 3 by 8. As you can see in these two fractions, the denominator is same 8. So, these are like fractions. So, how we will add them? As you can see, 2 by 8 means when I am having a whole circle which is divided into total 8 parts and out of which 2 are shaded. 3 by 8 means when I have 8 parts in the circle and 3 are shaded. Now you can see that in both the circles we have 8 parts. So if I will combine the shaded parts, the answer will be 5. So what fraction is shaded? 5 by 8. So simply I can say in case of like fractions, I just add the numerator and the denominator remains the same. So 2 plus 3, 5 divided by 8. 5 by 8 is the fraction. Similarly, if I have unlike fractions, what should I do? For example, 3 by 2 plus 4 by 7 plus 6 by 8. So firstly, I have to convert them into the like fractions. How? We know the procedure. So firstly, we will take the LCM of all the three denominators, 2, 7 and 8. The LCM comes out to be 56, as it is 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8 and 7 remains as it is, like this, like this. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, that is 56. So let us convert the denominators into 56. 3 by 2. 2 should be multiplied with 28 to get 56. In the numerator also it should be multiplied with 28. So 3 into 28 is 84 by 56. Then we have 4 by 7. 7 should be multiplied with 8. 7 8s are 56. In the numerator also it should be multiplied with 8. 4 8s are 32. So my next fraction is 32 by 56. Next is 6 by 8 into 8 should be multiplied with 7 to get 56. So in the numerator also it should be multiplied with 7. 6 7s are 42. 8 7s are 56. Now I will add all these equivalent fractions. As they are like fractions, so the numerators will be added directly. 84 plus 32 plus 42, it is 158 divided by 56. If I will cut it on the table of 2, so it will be 2 28s are 56 and 2 79s are 158. So this is the answer of addition of unlike fractions. Next is, I have another method to do this. If I have unlike fractions, what should I do? Firstly, I will take the LCM of 2, 7 and 8, that is 56. Now this LCM will be divided with the denominator, first denominator. Now 56 divided by 2 is 28. This 28 will be multiplied with the numerator. So 3 multiplied with 28 plus the second term. Now this LCM will be divided with the denominator. 56 divided by 7 is 8. And if this quotient will be multiplied in the numerator. So 8 fours are 32. Next 56 divided by 8, 7. So 7 will be multiplied with the numerator 6. 6 into 7. So 3 into 28 is 84. 8 into 4 is 32. 6 into 7 is 42. So adding all these, again I will get 158 divided by 56 and cancel it on the table of 2 again. The answer is same. Next, if I have subtraction of fractions, firstly about the like fractions, see 7 by 9 minus 5 by 9. Denominator is same. So we will simply subtract them. 7 minus 5 is 4, 4 by 9. Then again 6 by 11 minus 3 by 11. Again the denominator is same 11. So 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 by 11. 4 by 9 minus 3 by 9. So again numerators will be subtracted. 4 minus 3 over 9, 1 by 9. 7 by 11 minus 10 by 11. So again numerator will be subtracted. 7 minus 10 by 11. 7 minus 10 is minus 3 divided by 11. Next, if I have unlike fractions like 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Again I have to take LCM of the denominators 4 and 2. The LCM will come out to be 2 into 2, 4. Now convert them into like fractions. 3 by 4. Already it is 4, so we will multiply with 1 to get 4. 3 by 4. Next 1 by 2. So 2 should be multiplied with 2 to get 4. In the numerator also it should be multiplied with 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now I will subtract them. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. So answer is 3 minus 2 by 4, that is 1 by 4. Next, 8 by 10 minus 12 by 15. Again, I have to take the LCM of the denominators 10 and 15. 2 5s are 10, 15 as it is. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. Then 3 1s are 3. So LCM is 2 into 5 into 3, that is 30. So next step, 30 is the LCM. So again I am doing it with the second method. This LCM will be divided with the denominator. 30 divided by 10 is 3. So this 3 will be multiplied with the numerator. 3 into 8, 24. 30 divided by 15 is 2 and 2 will be multiplied with numerator 2. That is 4. So 24 minus 4 is 20 divided by 30. Now again simplify it on the table of 10. 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30. Next example is of the mixed fraction 7 1 by 2 minus 6 3 by 5. So firstly convert it into improper fraction. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 1 15. So it is 15 by 2. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 3 33 by 5. Now LCM of 2 and 5. It is 2 into 5 10. So again this 10 will be divided with the denominator 2. Answer quotient will be 5. 5 will be multiplied with 15. So 15 into 5 minus 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 into 33. So 15 into 5 is 75. 33 into 2 is 66. Divided by 10. 75 minus 66 is 9 divided by 10. This is the answer of this subtraction of unlike fractions. Now homework question for today is first question 4 by 15 plus 8 by 15. Question number 2 1 by 2 plus 1 by 10. Question number 3 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. Do all the work very neatly in your notebooks and send it on time. Thank you. Have a nice day.